Okay, hey, my name is Alberto Hernandez. I'm at Boward Rehabilitation Hospital. On November 9th, we had a motor vehicle accident. My family was involved. My mom was right here in Boward as well. She got discharged about 3 weeks ago. I get discharged tomorrow. Kind of excited to go home. I ended up fracturing, my whole left side, my foot, my right leg, my right hand. I mean, my left side, my left hand, my right pelvis, a few ribs. And so far it's been good. I've been since the time I've been here, I'm able to pivot now. I'm able to get up, at least transfer myself to the wheelchair, and before I couldn't even do none of that. And it's good. It's been good to be here. It was. I worked with many people that are willing to help us. Being here, and it's feels pretty good to know that they treat you like family here at Boward Rehabilitation Hospital.